Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Vevor vinyl cutter that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Vinyl Cutter Machine Cover by Airdone. While this isn't a vinyl cutter itself, it's an essential accessory for anyone who owns a Vevor 28-inch or smaller vinyl cutter. This high-density, waterproof, and dust-proof cover is designed to protect your investment, ensuring your machine stays in pristine condition for years to come. The cover is made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric with a PU glue coating on the back, making it durable and resistant to scratches, spills, and dust. The design is simple but effective, featuring a lightweight one-piece construction and an elasticated cord at the bottom for a snug fit. It's easy to put on and take off, and its soft-touch material ensures your cutter remains free from fingerprints and contaminants. The cover's water-resistant coating allows for easy cleaning. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth. While it doesn't enhance your cutting experience directly, this product is perfect for anyone who wants to extend the life of their machine. It's especially useful for individuals who work in dusty environments or frequently transport their cutter. However, its niche use case and lack of availability in pricing might make it less appealing for some. Overall, this is a great add-on for Vevor users who want to go the extra mile in protecting their equipment. Coming in at number 4 is the 9 Pieces T-shirt ruler guide by Tungsten. This is another accessory that complements vinyl cutters, especially for those who focus on customizing t-shirts. This set includes 4 different sized rulers and a soft measuring tape, making it easy to center and align your designs perfectly, whether you're working on children's, youth, or adult-sized shirts. Made of high-quality PVC, these rulers are lightweight, durable, and flexible enough to withstand frequent use. Unlike acrylic alternatives, they're less prone to cracking or breaking. The rulers feature clear markings for both front and back alignment, making them a versatile tool for any t-shirt design project. This set is especially useful for beginners and professionals alike, as it simplifies the alignment process and saves time during production. The Tungsten T-shirt ruler guide is ideal for small business owners or DIY enthusiasts who want to ensure professional-level precision in their designs. However, keep in mind that this is a supplemental tool and not a cutter itself, so its utility depends on your existing setup. With over 9,000 glowing reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear this product has made a significant impact in the crafting community. In second place, we have the Joy Extra Cutting Machine by Cricut. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $179. Despite its affordability, the Joy Extra packs a punch with its ability to work on over 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock. Its compatibility with home inkjet printers adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to print and cut full-color designs effortlessly. The Joy Extra's compact design is ideal for small spaces, and it's incredibly user-friendly, thanks to Cricut's Design Space app. This free software makes it easy to create custom designs, whether you're uploading your own or choosing from Cricut's extensive library. The machine also offers precision cutting for intricate designs and additional capabilities like drawing, foiling, and scoring, making it a great entry-level option for beginners. The Cricut Joy Extra is perfect for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who want an affordable, versatile cutter for light-duty projects. However, its smaller cutting area and limited compatibility with heavy-duty materials might be a drawback for professionals. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those starting out in the world of vinyl cutting. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Vinyl Cutter Machine by Vevor. This premium model is the ultimate choice for professionals, offering a 28-inch paper feed, a maximum cutting width of 24.8 inches, and exceptional precision at ±. 0.0004 inches. It's designed to handle a wide range of materials, from stickers to traffic signs, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Vinyl Cutter Machine by Vevor. This premium model is the ultimate choice for professionals. The Vevor cutter stands out for its robust build quality and advanced features. It comes equipped with an illuminated LCD display, a large control panel and adjustable cutting pressure, 10 to 500 grams, and speed, 10 to 800 millimeters per second. The D-typed motherboard and 2 megabytes high-speed cache memory ensure smooth and stable performance, even for large projects. Additionally, its compatibility with both COM and USB interfaces. Along with support for DMPL and HPGL languages, makes it a flexible choice for Windows users. Priced at $258.99, this cutter is a solid investment for professionals who demand high performance and reliability. The only drawback is its lack of Mac compatibility, which might limit its appeal to some users. However, for Windows-based setups, this machine is a powerhouse that delivers both precision and versatility. The only drawback is its lack of Mac compatibility, which might limit its appeal to some users. However, for Windows-based setups, this machine is a powerhouse that delivers both precision and versatility. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.